Amen. Hey, hey, Mia. Mia, stop it, please. Mia, stop it, please. That's embarrassing to Mama. Thank you. Hey, Mia, Gabriella wants you to come sit with her. Go sit with Gabriella.
And you can have, here, Mia. You want a napkin? Here's a napkin for Mia.
Mia, come sit with Gabriella.
Here's a napkin. Here's your napkin.